Okay, so today I'm going to be fitting this steering wheel cover. I paid £8 for this from Halfords. The steering wheel on this transporter is getting a bit worn down. It's got 182,000 miles now, so I'm going to stick this on. I've given it a quick heat up indoors with a hairdryer, so it's sort of gone a bit soft. It's obviously freezing cold and snowy outside, so hopefully it shouldn't be too bad to get on. So what I'm going to do is sort of work from the top, get it on, so the top's on there, and then sort of work down the sides, get it all sort of tucked round. And just work the way to the bottom, and there we go. Job done, give it a little tweak up. And there you go, new steering wheel cover. Easy as that. Just make sure you warm them up, so it makes them soft, and they're pretty much good to go. So, job done. Thanks for watching.